Dr. Jason Prevost with Integrated Health joining us today. Dr. Prevost, thanks for being here.
Thanks for inviting me.
We're talking about knee pain. Those suffering with stiff or aching knees, they might have been told that cortisol shots, medications, even surgery are really the only ways to treat their knee pain, but is that the case?
So it's really not the case anymore. So we're looking at knee pain totally differently now. And we're coming to understand that these are options, and for some people they're the only option, but that's not everyone. And we're also coming to understand that some of these procedures carry some risk, and not everyone's willing to accept that risk. So there has to be an alternative out there, and we have been working in Acadiana providing that alternative now.
Yeah, tell us more about that alternative for those whose only options are not those cortisone shots, surgery, and medication.
Right. So essentially, the knee is essentially a hinge. It's a hinge joint. And just like any other hinge, there has to be some parameters in place in order for that hinge to operate properly. The hinge has to be aligned just right. There has to be some lubricant inside that hinge. And we have found that actually enhancing the knee turns out to be a much better approach for patients.
And how do you know if you or one of your patients is a good candidate for this type of treatment?
So pretty much anyone with chronic knee pain, these are the types of patients that are getting the best benefit from this treatment. So people with stiff, aching knees, arthritis, even patients who've been told they're bone on bone, we're finding we're able to help these individuals.
And do you guys see improvements in these patients pretty quickly with this treatment?
Yeah, typically we don't beat around the bush very much. Typically during our examination procedure, if I find the patient is a good candidate, we actually do a trial treatment on the first day. And if we can do that trial treatment, patients feel the difference on that first treatment.
Yeah. Integrated Health, Dr. Jason Prevost, if you want to find out if you are a candidate for this treatment, you can give them a call. So if joint pain is keeping you from living the life that you want, you can call now to find out about this regenerative medicine. The first 25 callers will receive a $49 in-depth consultation and exam. That number is right there on your screen for Integrated Health. That is 337-240-7204. Be one of those first 25 callers to get your $49 consultation and exam.